Ever wondered if budgeting apps are worth the cost? Today, we're diving into one of the most popular budgeting tools out there, YNAB, or You Need a Budget. Is it worth the price tag? Let's find out. Before we jump into the cost, let's quickly recap what YNAB is. It's a budgeting app designed to help you take control of your finances. It's based on the concept of zero-based budgeting, which means every dollar you earn has a job. No more mindless spending. The cost breakdown. So, how much does YNAB actually cost? Well, it's a one-time purchase of $99. That's right, a one-time fee. No recurring subscriptions. This upfront cost might seem steep, but let's weigh it against the potential benefits. The value proposition. Long-term savings. By mastering budgeting with YNAB, you can save significantly over time. Whether it's for a vacation, a down payment on a house, or simply building an emergency fund, YNAB can help you reach your financial goals faster. Reduced stress. Financial stress can take a toll on your overall well-being. YNAB can help you reduce that stress by providing a clear picture of your finances and giving you peace of mind. Improved financial habits. YNAB encourages mindful spending and saving. By tracking your expenses and income, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Is YNAB worth it? Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to invest in YNAB is up to you. If you're serious about taking control of your finances and building a brighter financial future, the one-time cost might be a worthwhile investment. Additional tips. While the one-time fee is a major selling point, there are a few other things to consider. Free trial. YNAB offers a free trial, so you can test drive the app and see if it's right for you. Community support. The YNAB community is incredibly supportive and can provide valuable tips and tricks. Ongoing updates. YNAB is constantly updated with new features and improvements. YNAB isn't just a budgeting app, it's a financial tool that can empower you to make informed decisions about your money. While the upfront cost might seem high, the potential long-term benefits make it a worthwhile investment for many. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.